Hello guys, welcome. I want to look for... Oh, wait. I want... Huh? I want to look Filipino eyes. Hello the weeds. Hello Sean. Hello, hi. Hello Phantom. Hello Onyok. Thank you for following, guys. Wait lang. Hello Raven. Hello Bench. Hello Kapera. Ala, ang bilis kasi ang bilis. What do you mean by 450? Good morning, the weeds. Hello, Bench. Ano, bakit yung 450? Hi, I love you. Bakit yung 450? Shall we, lords? Do you live in dormitory permanently? No. Hello, Calvin. Hello, Cece. Hello, Bench. Hello, the keeper. No, I don't live here permanently. I'll be going home on Sunday, I guess. Hello, Bench. Where is home? Home! In our house, of course. Hello, Christopher. Hello, Robert. Hello, Gina. Hello, Kakarot. Hello. Guys, hindi ako nagdudo ng private, guys. Hi, Corey. Every week you go. Yeah. I'll go home every week. Hello, Ace. Hello, Venom. Thank you for following me, guys. Kinikilig ako, ah. Ala, I don't know in which city is house. Hello, Raven. Hello, Biscuit. Taga saan ka? I'm from Isabela. I'm from Isabela, guys. Okay, yeah. Hello, James. Hello, Tress. Hello, the boss. Hello, yeah. I'm Ilocana. Yes, Ilocana ako. Ikaw ba? Hello, cuz. Nice to meet you, Surya. Nice to meet you to Surya, Christopher. Oh, okay. Alam mo ba, I have a friend na mga Bisaya and they are the sweetest. I love them so much. Bisaya are the sweetest. Hindi yan nagpapabil si ate, sumasayaw lang siya. Alam mo ba, hello, Rai. Ang tawag nun? Alam mo ba, pag nasayaw ako, super ang tawag nun, super ng katawan ko, super tigas, mahalata ako Ilocana. Yes, Ilocana ako. Gusto mo ba? What do you mean? Sayaw ka daw. Patigasan ba ng katawan? Patigasan ng katawan sumayaw? Go! Sino?
Please collect the payment of the book.
Try nga po, ate. 1K. Bakit yung 1K? Try nga po, ate. Mamaya, after exam namin. Dapat andito ka.
Bumulubi ka muna bago
Dapat andito ka mamaya, ah. Sasayaw ako. Sumayo ang... Try nga po, at. Ay, ex ko Ilocana. Taga saan siya? Taga saan yung ex mo? Hindi naman patigas ka. Uy, matigas talaga, lalo na pag sumasayaw ako ganon. Super tigas. I swear. Hello, John John. Hello, Lisana. Mga Morena, Yes! Yes! Mga Morena, Ilocana. Yes, basta Morena, Ilocana. Pero hindi naman ata totally lahat ng Morena, Ilocana. Pero Ilocana ako Sino Ilocana sa inyo? Go! Go!
Mag-chat na ako.
Anya Provincia, Doña. Province of Isabela. I'm from Isabela po.